Right, this is coming off this morning.
That's it for insulation.
Get ready for the steels this afternoon, and then start building the dormer. Right, today's agenda: steel beam for the ridge, that's going in, and then steel beam in there for the ashlar wall, and then all of this, getting all of this, get this out, get this on the back of the truck, go and get rid of all the rubbish, and then Chippy's in tomorrow, start getting all the dormer up, dormer cheeks in, yeah, get it moving on. Yeah, mate, it's right here. So Joe and Luke are just stripping the rest of this roof off. We've got a crane and steels being delivered about 12 o'clock. So get all that off, get the steels in, and then yeah, we'll be flying then. So we're cutting the slates back now so that they finish just outside of the dormer roof, and we won't have much weathering in to do then when we come around to fit in the dormer and weathering it in along the front of it. Obviously that monopitch roof stays where it is, so that'll help us out and save us time later on. Without doubt the easiest way of getting steels up in your loft room. 90-foot crane, probably 250 quid. You'll only be here 10-15 minutes. Done. How are we doing for level? One more bit of, maybe two more bits of slate. One more bit. Spot on that. And then measure, make sure you measured from the back of the plate to the back of that should be 1490. Back of the plate, back to back is 1490.
1490 on the back.
Good man. That side, pucker. Right, bricker in. It's all done.
Get rid of these bits, Timby.